Hey, Catherine, how you doing? Let's go ahead and take a look. I see you got your banana up. Good job. Thank you for getting your submission in. Before I even really looked at this, I realized that these letter forms are not traced from the letter form, the Franklin Gothic that was assigned for the project. Let me show you what I mean. These are the letter forms right here. And the idea is to trace these out and literally trace them on tracing paper or very, very thin sketch paper. This looks like, I mean, I'm guessing, but this looks like pretty thick sketch paper. I'm guessing these are not traced because we can clearly see huge differences in the shapes of the letters. Your letters are really skinny and really tall, whereas we can clearly see that the B is not shaped like your B. And I think it's especially apparent in your A's. Look at the distance in that opening of your A. Look at the distance between that curve right there and the end of the top of your A. Look at that area right there. Very thin little opening, but yours is just huge. Also, take a look at that kind of teardrop shape of the opening in the A, and you can see that yours are completely different as well. So I'm not real sure. I mean, it's not really following the objectives of the assignment because the letters are not being traced according to their original form. Another problem I'm seeing is that your verticals and your true horizontals and especially your verticals aren't true. I could use the edge of this to show you what I mean. I'll just take a look at this edge. I'm going to use this as a straight edge. I'm going to try to anyway. Okay, my computer's going to freak out for a while. No idea what just happened, but we'll just live with it. Okay, as I said, I'm going to try to use this as a straight edge, and I'm going to place this at the edge of your A, and you can see all that white space is indicating that that is not a true horizontal. I think if we take this and move it over also, we could use this edge and see if we start there, we can see all of that hanging over. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to get these as realistic as possible. Your kerning looks great, I think. Despite the letter forms, I think you've got too large of a space between that A and that N and that A and that N. Otherwise, I think you're looking pretty good. Okay, any questions or comments, please feel free to give me a holler. Thank you.